welcome back to my channel. My name is Sabrina and I'm so excited for today's video. I'll be doing my first cash stuffing video, and towards the end of my video I will be opening some Happy Meal as well. So let's get started. So for my wallet, I'm just gonna be stuffing $60 into dining out. And dining out is just for mostly just for food to buy for my lunch at work. So there's that. And then let's also, before I forget, put in my receipts for Receipt Hog that I need to scan. So Fetch and Receipt Hog are apps where you could scan your receipts and earn points and redeem them for gift cards such as Amazon, Target, Starbucks, and things like that. And then for my next binder, we'll be stuffing my high priority binder, and we'll be stuffing $20 into emergency fund. And I already marked it off off camera. So now emergency fund now has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, and $200. Okay, so that's 202 emergency. The next I'm going to be doing Christmas. And then for this one, I also marked it off camera. So we're going to be doing $20. So now Christmas has 20, 40, 60, 81, and 50. So 150 into Christmas. And then let's see, for my next binder, this one is just, we'll be just stuffing graduation, and graduation is going to be getting $40. So now graduation has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, so 140 into graduation. I will be graduating at the end of next year, so I really want to bulk this up. And then we're going to be doing my October challenge. Sorry if it's a little shaky. And then this one this week, we're just going to be doing $50. So October this week now has 20, 40, 60, 81, 55. So 155 so far in this October challenge. And then we're going to be going to my sinking funds binder. And then I'll be doing, let's see, Mom and Me. So Mom and Me's gonna get $50. Gonna do 240, 220s, and then 110. So now Mom and Me now has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40. Oops, let me fix this up. Okay, let's try this again. So Mom and Me now has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, and $200. So we do have family that's coming over entry next week. So that's for that. I don't plan on using all of this, so whatever's left over, we'll see what we could do with it. And then next for this 5K challenge, I did use some of them the other day, so I want to put back some that I used. So then this is gonna get $120, and I also already marked it off. I do have 300 in the bank, and then we have 120 on here. So this cash stuff is a little short this week at least. And then now I'm gonna be, so now we're gonna be on opening my Happy Mail that I got. Might need my Snoopy. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this one. I don't know if there's anything else. Looks like I got some scratch offs as well. I love everything that's Disney. So these are some scratch off savings challenges. I think I'll just use this to save for Disneyland whenever I go and take my daughter. So this should be very exciting to do. And here's the envelope for it. Okay, so there's that one. And I have one more. So let's see what's in this one. Another Disney. These are cute. There's another sketch off for next time. It's little bags. So these are some scratch offs. There's Coco and Lilo and Stitch. These are, let's see the cards. So for this one, this Coco one, my grandma passed away about 2 years ago, and we spread her ashes at the beach where she grew up. So I will use this challenge so to save, and she got, her ashes are out of the country, so I'll be using this challenge to save up, so whenever I go and see her again where she is resting. So that's the Coco one. Let's see the Lilo and Stitch one. These are so cute. I love everything stitched too. These are so cute. So I will link everything and an description below. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Bye.